Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Buildium for property accounting step by step clearly. To authenticate with Buildium for property accounting, start by navigating to the Buildium login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Input your password carefully, ensuring there are no typos. Click on the login button to initiate the authentication process. If your email and password are correct, you will be directed to the Buildium dashboard. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password using the email associated with your account. Once you receive the password reset email, click the link provided to create a new password. After resetting your password, return to the login page. Enter your email address and the new password you just set. Click the login button again to authenticate. If two-factor authentication is set up, check your mobile device for the authentication code. Input the code in the verification field on the screen. Once the code is accepted, you will gain access to your Buildium account. With access granted, you can now navigate to the property accounting section. Review your dashboard to ensure all information is up to date and accurate. Begin your accounting tasks by following the organized tabs and options available. Always log out from your account once your tasks are completed to ensure security. Regularly update your password and enable two-factor authentication for enhanced protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.